Minister is making it seem as though he's distant from this issue, but he is part of the problem. Because when he decided to go and sit with gang leaders and negotiate with them, and even invest and put monies into them. I remember there was a sitting of the National Assembly where he said that there were these high-profile, high-energy criminals that had come to him that he's going to give a break to. And I kept writing about that. Because once your government starts to deal with them at that level, then things will get out of control. When people are lawless, they will take all they could, So all these truces and all these pay for peace and everything is just a temporary thing. So you should have implemented the law a long time ago. We should have operated from the rule of law a long time ago. It cannot be that when it is convenient, you want to use the law, and when it's not convenient, you say one break the law. The minute our leaders, the minute our Prime Minister and the different ministers and the police went and met with gangs and legitimized them and recognized them as an official entity to broker a deal with, we were in trouble.
But the Prime Minister has said point blank yesterday that he has never engaged in any payment to gangs, to gang members, to gang leaders.
Why, I would go back into the records and find those meetings and say what they put in place. There was a peace program at one point where it was clearly to pay them to keep the peace. And the records will show it. You are reported on these many things. So I won't even go into the back and forth. People are smart enough to go find the records for themselves. People are smart enough, and I hope they don't have a short memory to say that this, especially this Prime Minister, had sat down with them. And never forget, even in the National Assembly, when he said he created this special program for these special people from gangs, and most of them were George Street members. They got their groceries paid, they got their rent paid, they gave them so-called jobs, and they got monthly salaries from taxpayers. The record is there.